So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub's webflow to fork a repository, make a change, and then propose the change back to the original owner. So I'm assuming that you are moderately familiar with version control, even if not with Git itself, and that you've at least created an account on GitHub, maybe browsed a little bit, maybe you've downloaded a file here and there, looked at stuff, but you're not very familiar with it, which is the purpose of today's video. So here, you'll notice that I'm logged on, so here's my user, and I'm looking at somebody else's repository here, and this was actually me under a different username, but for all intents and purposes, this is somebody else's, so I do not have edit permission to this repository. But I do see that there's a little bug here. This is not how you spell the word example. So I cannot fix it directly. I could email the person, or I can do it one thing even better, which is I fork this repository to my own user, and now GitHub is creating a copy for me. So this will be me, example, but GitHub remembers the original owner. Okay. So now here, this is a full repository. If you know about GitHub and Git, you can clone it locally, etc., etc. But today, I'm going to show you how to do all of this through the web browser. So I go to the offending file, and now I can edit. There's a little edit button. I can directly edit. And I'm going to edit in Zen mode, which basically just means it's a full screen editor. Okay, this is fine. I am going to exit Zen mode. Scroll down. This is the commit message for Git. Okay, and here it's very short, so I'm not going to write very much, but I can just commit the changes. Okay, now I go back to the main page for my repository, for my version, and you see that there's a new commit, and I can now create a pull request. So here, this little box didn't show up earlier. I create a pull request. GitHub shows me the differences here so that I can be sure that I'm not doing anything silly. And I can just click to create a pull request. I can write here a little bit more. This will not be in the commit log, but will be in an email to the original owner. In this case, this is all fine. I'm just going to send it. And now the original owner of the repository has gotten a message, perhaps an email, depending on his configuration, saying, hey, someone is proposing a change. And they can go accept it or reject it or talk back to me or whatever. But this was very easy to just propose a change to somebody else. Okay, thank you.